In this tutorial, we are going to merge bills of material in multiple bills of material into one bill of material. We're doing this because these bills of material take a very short period of time to make, and it doesn't really make sense to have a work order that only takes a half an hour to make. So instead, we've created steps to represent those work orders, and we're going to merge these into one bill of material. So we labeled this bill of material, the parent bill of material, as merge, and then we labeled the child bills of material as merge as well, just so we could decide which ones we want to merge together. Okay, so now to merge it, we go to File, Export, Bills of Material. So we selected the bills of material export type.
Right.
And can we put this on your desktop? We'll just throw it on your desktop for right now. I believe that's your desktop. I can't really tell.
Yeah, let me go. Let me just select a different. Let's see, where did we go?
There it is. All right. So we're going to label this, we're going to call this BOMs to merge. Click save. And then right here, notice it gives us an option to
Yeah,
select the bills of material we want to export. Now, if we
so
didn't do this, it would just export 9,000 bombs. We don't want that. So we're going to come here and type in the keyword merge because we previously flagged it with that. And it's narrowing down the list to just the bombs that we flagged to merge. Right. So we're going to click shift and select all 4 of these. Click next and finish. So now that's going to export just the bombs that we flagged. Click finish. And oh, we're on a Mac, so it's doing that little flickering thing. You want to help me? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so whenever I work on spreadsheets, I like to select all and turn on filters. But notice this bill of material has 2 header
yeah,
columns. One represents the BOM and one represents the items. So if I turn on filter options.
data,
Oh, okay.
filter.
Filter. Okay, so that turns filters on, right? Which one is the parent BOM? So we've got a bill of material
That one.
there.
That's the parent one.
That's the parent one. Okay. So this is what we need to do. We need to copy this and insert it up here. Put it at the top. And then to merge these, we're going to take the BOM header and the finished good header, both. See that? That's a finished good header and the BOM header. And we're going to delete it. And then the next one, the BOM header and the finished good header, delete it. I want to be careful and only do the ones that we have flagged merge. So I want to undo that. I wasn't being careful enough. Okay,
Oh, we're
merge,
doing all of
merge,
them.
merge. Yeah, because I remember there was one BOM header that we didn't want
All
to
those say
merge.
merge.
But yeah, they all say merge. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought we only labeled 3. Let's just go back and double check this here. So these 3 right here are the only ones we wanted to merge,
Neoprene
and then
foam.
this is a merge.
But that's the finished part, and that's what we export.
Yes, that's the finished part. And this one, we did not label it merge. See, that one is not labeled merge. And
Let's look at the spreadsheet again. I'll see if I can recognize it.
let's go back in here. Let's go back to the spreadsheet.
Because I can recognize it because of my part numbers.
So, okay, I think I know what's going on here. There's a stage. Okay, so on the parent, we have these three stages and this stage.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to eliminate those three stages, but not this stage, right? This is the stage we're not merging, but these ones we are merging. So for merging it, we don't need those lines anymore. Okay, so we're going to eliminate these three lines because those are the stages that connect to these BOMs below. Hopefully this is making sense. So we've got this BOM, this BOM. I want to highlight this. I want to highlight this. Here we go. I want this BOM, this BOM, this BOM. And this is what's throwing me off is there's three BOMs.
Right.
Oh, I think I know what happened.
Well, that's the last one. That's the
This
parent.
BOM down here,
Is
I
the one
copied it.
Yeah.
I didn't cut it. Okay,
So
that's
let's
what
delete that one now.
I've got to delete that one. All right, that makes more sense. So these are the three BOMs that we want to flatten. And then if we look over here to the right, we see these are stages. See, it says is stage true or false? So those are stages.
So we're gonna delete those stages.
Yeah, let me just highlight this. I'll delete the state, highlight the stages a different color. So we've got the three stages and they should all coincide with these BOMs. So here's the part number. There's the part number. See how that matches almost.
So we're gonna delete those blue ones and then the top one, the BOM of each one of these, right?
Right,
And
right.
just be left with the item.
Yeah, and then so what
Okay.
that'll do is that will just merge the items of the sub BOMs, these items, into the upper BOM. So it'll just merge them all together. So we're gonna go bloop, 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 delete, and then delete this. Oops, delete this. And we're
delete
doing
both of them.
this because these sub BOMs only take a short period of time to make, and it doesn't make sense to create a work order, start a work order, pick a work order, finish a work order. It makes more sense to just have those sub BOMs as steps of this BOM. So now we'll save this BOMs to merge, or maybe I should have renamed this and called it merged BOM. I could do that.
So back to this, when you started, you put the filter on there. Because I've played around with the bill of materials a lot, but I've never really figured out, I didn't know if you could filter those. Like, what did you do with, why did you put the filter on there?
Just as a habit.
Does that control anything? Like, can
in case I need to sort, I like to
But can you
sort. But
sort a
with
bill of
bills of
material?
material, sorry, what?
Can you sort a bill of material, like, or collapse them, or because I've worked with a lot, and you export like 20 of them in here, and then I'm like so confused, like,
So if you sort bills of material, you have to be super careful because you need to be able to put it back to how you got it, because the order that the bill of material is in matters. So if I ever sort a bill of material, I put the order, I put the sort order, the first beginning sort order in the first column. So if I need to change the sort for whatever reason, if I'm looking for something, you
And say,
know,
for instance, you wanted to reorganize or the bill of materials so it made more sense. You can't move things up or down in Excel, right? You have to do it in Fishbowl.
you can, I would just be careful to do one bill of material at a time. Over here on the right-hand side, there's configuration sort order with numbers. So this is your sort order, okay? And you bring up a good point, because we are grouping these together, we may want to flag them differently with the bill of material description. This bill of material description looks like it's a duplicate of the part description. I'm not sure why it's done that way. Typically, I make the bill of material description short and sweet. Like text print, we'll just say print. The other bill of material, this one was, what was it? Cutting foam, cut foam, right?
Yeah,
Cut foam, cut foam. And this was the neoprene
but you don't want to
cuts.
tell it what foam to cut?
No, no, the part description does that. Yeah. This isn't
Okay.
instructions. This is just like a quick flag is all it is. So you can organize it.
Okay.
So cut neoprene, cut neoprene. Just quick and simple. And this is straps. So straps. And then you've got a zipper. Um, didn't like what I just did.
And we got, for some reason, I got two zippers on there and I only use one, so we need to figure out. Oh, no, one's a zipper flap. Okay, yeah.
Label.
That's the nylon label, like the size tag that goes inside the suit.
Elastic trim. I might just say trim. And then grommets. These are just one word nicknames. Build. You could say.
These are not steps, so they're not
So.
like action things. They're just
No, they're
they're
not.
just
They're just,
labels.
yeah, they're just quick labels so you can glance at it and see what it is. That's it. So we've got cutting labor. You could just say cutting labor. That's good. Because you would have sewing labor in here too somewhere, right?
No, I should, but
Oh, it says general labor there. So this is something we could do as well, is copy, paste that general labor and say sew and cut. They're both using the same general labor.
except the general label for sew would probably be 4 hours.
Yeah, for HR. Okay. Do we like the order this is in?
I don't understand the order though, because it says down here, it says 3 at the bottom, 1, 2,
I'm changing
1.
that. I'm changing that. I'm
I see.
wondering if you like this order.
Probably would have done it a different way, but it's fine.
Well, do it. Let's do it the way you want it. So if you would have done it a
So you
different
could
way,
just, well,
that
no,
means
you
you
can, so
don't
you
like
can
the
just move.
order.
Well, I don't want to waste all the time doing it. Let's see. So
Okay.
I can just cut and paste those and then put this sort
Sure.
order is on the right side,
Okay.
right?
Okay. All right. We won't worry about it then. I'll let you change it later.
Yeah. I just want to understand how to do it though. So if
Yeah.
I,
And you can change the order in Fishbowl too.
yeah,
Maybe.
that's what I was thinking. I could do that and export it and then
Yeah.
do the bill of material for each size suit in
Yeah.
Excel, build
Yeah.
out those in Excel.
Yeah. Okay. Let's save this, import it into
One
Fishbowl.
question real quick while we're there.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask, okay, so say say I did that. Okay, so now we've got large. This is the perfect one. Now I'm gonna do it for all the sizes. What I've done in the past is I start here, I copy, I copy that, and I paste it here. And then I do a find and replace the size to, like, this is a large. I'd do a find and replace to extra large, and it would replace all the largest to extra large, and then I'm gonna do the medium. Is that how you would do it, or?
That sounds great.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm just
no, I
like,
don't
I
see
don't
anything
want.
wrong with that.
Yep, okay, so I'm gonna save, I'll save. Okay, you want to import that in? Is that what we're?
I mean, the real test on what you just said is if it works. If you don't get an error message, then
Yeah, I just didn't want, if that's the process you would have done, or like, no, I would have done this a totally different way. That's good. So
no,
that's kind of how you would go about it, then
yeah, no, I
I'm on
think
the
that's
right track.
great. Okay, so we're gonna import this now. Go to Fishbowl.
Part of the problem with it though is if you're using the find and replace, like I made the sizes L, I can't just find the L's and change them to XLs, because then it finds the L in anything, leg, or, changes all of them. So I should have had a better. Sometimes I have to do them manually because they'll catch them like that.
Yeah, it can be a little tricky.
But anyway,
Yeah. Yeah, it can be a little tricky. Okay, so we're gonna import this spreadsheet. We'll go to Fishbowl, go to File, Import, right here. Select the bill of materials. Click Next, browse to the file that we just created. So we got to go find it. We're looking for our desktop. It's so weird. I don't know why it's so difficult. Oh yeah, this is a Mac, so it's different. I'm not used to it. That's the
oops,
problem.
let's see, where'd it go?
So desktop.
And pull it open bigger.
Help me find the desktop on your Mac. We put it on your desktop is what I remember.
Yeah,
Desktop.
bombs to
Bombs
merge.
to merge. Yep.
Open.
Yep.
Next.
Go ahead and finish.
Oops. I hate
Expected
that.
flag bomb, but found one. Oh, I left that column. Remember that sort column I put in there that said 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
5 on the first column? We've got to delete that column and save it. Try again. Okay. Now I'll double click on that. And there
okay.
we go. There's our new merged BOM. And we left the straps as a stage because those can be done in batches, and it makes sense to have that as a sub BOM stage because you do it in bulk ahead of time and set it aside. Okay, so if you're still watching this, you're either an operations geek or you're just letting it run in the background, or this was super helpful and you were glued to the screen the whole way. That's what we do here at Brandow Consulting is we help you decide what software is right for you. So don't hesitate to reach out. And please, please, please react to this video. That tells YouTube that people like this video or if it was beneficial. Any type of reaction, YouTube says, oh, we'll let other people know about this video. So the commenting, please comment, subscribe, you know what, whatever kind of reaction you can come up with, react to this video. And we greatly appreciate it. Click the link below, come to our website, fill out a contact form. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. And we have a lot of other videos like this for other software programs as well.